How to fix Razer Viper Ultimate not charging. Step number 1, we're going to clean the charging contacts. So over time, dust and debris can accumulate on the charging contacts, hindering the charging process. Use a cotton swab, lightly dampened with alcohol, to gently clean the two gold charging pins on the dock and the corresponding contacts on the underside of the mouse. Allow the contacts to dry completely before attempting to charge again. This is, by the way, very important. Many users have actually found this step to resolve charging issues. So the step number 2, we're going to check cable and power source. USB cable orientation. Ensure the USB cable is connected correctly to the dock. Some users have reported that the cable orientation affects charging functionality. So you can see, then we're going to try a different port. Plug the dock into a different USB port on your computer or a wall adapter to rule out port-related issues. And I would also suggest to you to not use your computer, but just use a wall adapter if you can, because sometimes computer is just not strong enough to power it up, just so you know. And direct connection. If the dock isn't working, try connecting the charging cable directly to the mouse to see if it actually charges. Step number 3, we're going to reset the mouse. Resetting the mouse can sometimes resolve charging problems. So we're going to connect the mouse directly to our PC using the charging cable. We're going to then open up the Razer Synapse software, check for firmware updates, and then install any available. After updating, disconnect and reconnect the mouse to see if it actually charges. If the issue still persists, consider performing a factory reset through Razer Synapse. As you can see, test without Razer Synapse. Sometimes Razer Synapse software can interfere with charging. So close Razer Synapse completely, place the mouse on the charging dock, observe if the mouse actually begins to charge without the software running. Some users have actually found that charging works when Synapse is closed. Step number 5, we're going to inspect for hardware issues. If none of the above steps actually work, there might be a hardware issue. Dock malfunction. Try charging. The charging dock itself might be faulty, just so you know. Battery degradation. As you can see, over time the battery may lose its ability to hold a charge. In such cases, contact Razer support for further assistance or to inquire about warranty options.